So many viewers have demanded to see the performance numbers from the ridiculous 4-way SLI 6-core machine that was built in recent NCIX Tech Tips episode. So just updating you on my progress here. I'm actually just installing the GeForce driver, which you can see adds 4-way SLI support for the GTX 480. Now 4-way SLI is intended for world record performance and requires non-standard power and cooling. It is not recommended for general consumer configurations. So cooling may be a bit of an issue, but the high airflow, maybe it'll be able to handle it. We'll find out. And as far as power is concerned, that's a 1500 watt power supply. If this can't handle it, then I don't know what can. But one thing, if you come over here, I'll actually be able to show you. Now, before I actually load this machine up, I'm gonna have to move it somewhere where I'm not relying on an extension cord. But at idle, without even drivers installed for the video cards yet, we're at 300 watts. That's idle on an 80 plus silver power supply. So I expect this is going to draw a mean amount of power under load.